Introducing 9685 Nature Creek Boulevard, Pensacola, Florida. This is a turnkey investment opportunity with a tenant already in place through December 2026. Situated conveniently in Beulah, just minutes from the Navy Federal campus and close to Interstate 10, this alluring 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome features modern finishes and an open concept layout ideal for today's lifestyle. The main level sinks the kitchen with a spacious living room, showcasing granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and white shaker-style cabinetry. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a walk-in closet and a granite-topped vanity in the private bath. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the space. Benefits also include an upstairs laundry area, a rear patio for relaxation, and a community pool. Call Bruce Baker at 85-0449-0365 for a private tour.